2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.